Unlock your digital identity and connect with the world of code by mastering the simple art of sharing your GitHub profile link. First, navigate to GitHub in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find your profile by clicking on your avatar, which is usually a small circle with your profile picture or initials, located in the top right corner of the GitHub page. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on your profile. This action will take you directly to your personal GitHub profile page. Now that you are on your profile page, look at the very top of your web browser. In the address bar, the characters you see there, typically starting with github.com, followed by a / and then your unique GitHub username. That is your GitHub profile link. To easily share this link, you can simply select the entire URL displayed in the address bar. Then, most browsers offer a convenient copy option, usually by right-clicking and selecting copy, or by using a keyboard shortcut like Command-C on Mac or Control-C on Windows. With your profile link copied, you can now paste it anywhere you want to share it. Send it in emails, post it on social media, include it in your resume, or share it with colleagues and friends. This allows anyone to easily access your projects, see your contributions, and get a comprehensive view of your coding expertise. Sharing your GitHub profile link is a powerful way to showcase your skills, build your network within the developer community, and open doors to new opportunities. Get yours out there and start connecting.